Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So beautiful decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for so let's start the video without wasting any time. So so you can see this one, the very beautiful room decoration. You can see the white color theme, you can see the beautiful white color theme, the table, the chair and the floor, the walls and all very beautiful. So also you can see the mirror cupboard, you can see beautiful cupboard, you can see of mirror, and the floor also, the walls and all. This one also very beautiful. The roof, you can see the side, the lights, you can see beautiful lights and all, looking very beautiful, very nice. And so also you can see it is the beautiful white color theme, you can see it is looking very good, the mirrors and all, and the cupboards very beautiful. It's also very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all, you can see. This one also, the roof, you can see beautiful roof, you can see the lights and all, and the floor, the sitting place very beautiful. It's also the white color bed, the walls and all, beautiful walls, you can see, looking very beautiful. And so you can see the black color frame of the bed, you can see beautiful, looking very beautiful, very aggressive, looking very good, you can see it's looking very beautiful. And this also you can see, you can keep your shoes and all, and the side you can keep clothes, very beautiful decoration. This also very beautiful, you can see the cupboards and all, and the mirrors, very beautiful mirrors, looking very good. And also you can see the cupboards, you can see the middle, you can see mirror, you can see the makeup and all, very beautiful. The floor, you can see wooden theme floor, beautiful floor. This also you can see the roof and the mirrors and all, you can see the floor, you can see beautiful floor and all, so looking very beautiful. This also you can see the white color theme, walls, the roof and the lights and all, very beautiful lights, looking very good. This one also you can see the green color bed, the curtains, it's very beautiful. The tables, you can see it's also very beautiful, it's looking awesome. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the lamps and the roof, you can see the walls, you can see beautiful walls, looking very attractive. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the wall decoration, beautiful wall decoration, so looking very good. You can see this one also very beautiful, you can see the gate decoration, it is door decoration, sorry, cupboard, very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon and post my new video, you get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. Thank you for watching and have a